Hi guys, today we have Samsung A31 not charging after it dropped to the ground. The customer bring the device told us that the device is no longer charging. So I'm going to open the device. You can heat the back plastic cover at 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. We can open the back without any caution. In the past we have to remove the back glass. Now it's a back plastic. So there is no risk to break that glass, but we don't need to bend that plastic also. We need to go soft with the device. This device was open before, so I was able to remove the back easily. As you can see, I didn't put too much force to remove it. You may take a long time to separate the back plastic frame from the border. There is also no flex cable for the fingerprint sensor, so there is no risk to cut anything or damage anything while operation. We are almost ready to remove it. We just need to heat a little bit so we can remove near the cameras, and that's it. I just need from you to be careful in the right side where the flex cable connected to the main board to the sub. This is a risk. If you put the plastic, it could go between these flex cable and this could break these flex cables, so patience is required. Take out all screws from the frame. It's important to remove the SIM card slot. It's very important. Now you can separate the frame from the border. You can use your nails or you can use any plastic tools. I don't recommend any metal piece. Now you can unplug the battery. As you can see, we have one flex cable connected the main board to the sub and to the screen. It's with one cable, so if this cable damaged, you need to replace it. Unplug flex cable of the screen and the sub and the fingerprint sensor. Now remove the antenna. After that, we have one screw. We have to remove it from the sub, and then we can remove the board. I have to mention, when I removed the flex cable of the sub, I noticed it wasn't pressed down, so maybe this was the problem. After the drop down, the flex cable got loose somehow from the connector, and this was causing the device not to charge anymore. Anyway, I'm looking at the charging sub now. It seems very clear. I don't think it's the charging sub need to be replaced, but anyway, I'm going to clean it, and after that I will test it again to see if there is any problem or not, and then I will replace it. I'm going also to check the pins on the pads if there is any loose, but seems everything is perfect. There is no loose, so I'm going now to test and see if the problem will be solved or not. As I told you, the flex cable, if it's not connected very well, this will never make the voltage go through the sub to the main board and then to the battery, and then the battery will power on the device. So this could be our problem for today, and it could be not. But anyway, we will test and figure out what causing this problem. We can see the charging sample. Seems our problem was with the flex cable wasn't connected to the main sub, and that was causing the device not to charge anymore. I'm going now to assemble back and let the device charge for a few minutes, and then we will figure out if this problem has been solved or not. As you can see, we have one flex cable and there is two flex cable, but they are in one flex cable. If anything get loose, this will cause a problem to the whole device. So this one was causing the problem because it wasn't pressed very much to the connector. There was some loose, and that loose what was causing the device not to charge. The device now goes to 1%. I will leave it for a few percentage and I'll come back. I think our problem has been solved. Now I can assemble the device. If you have a problem, I need you to replace the charging sub. It's the one I removed it where there is the charging port. You can replace this one and then test if your device is work again or not. If you have still the problem, you may have to change the flex cable connected sub to the main board. After that, if the problem is still, you need to check whatever is causing that problem with the diagram. Now our problem has been solved. If you have any question, just write it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.